Children, in our previous class, in the grammar and more, we learnt about sentence. What is sentence and the kinds of sentences, and also we learnt about the parts of a sentence. Today, we are going to learn about noun. And in today's class, we are going to learn about what is noun and the types of nouns, and I will teach you some easy methods to find out the nouns. Okay, now let us learn about noun. Can you see your surroundings? Once you look around, children, what you can see? Yes, you can see some books, bags, table, chair, pen, pencil, and it could be a laptop or TV. So, what you can see in surroundings are called the naming words, right? Those all are naming words. See, it could be a place or a person or maybe a living thing or non-living. See, these all are nouns. Now, let us get into example. See here, children, I will read these sentences. Please buy some eggs and bread from the shop. Let us check the second one. The children are sleeping in their beds. In these both sentences, you can observe the words in blue are things and people that are being spoken about. Yes or no? See here, eggs, bread, shop, beds, children. See, children are persons here, and eggs are thing. Bread also a thing. Shop is a place, and beds also things. Yes or no? Now, let us do some more examples and let us learn by doing those exercises. Okay, let us get into the exercise. Children, once you observe this exercise, in this exercise we should identify the nouns. See, circle if it is a person or an animal, box it if it is a place, and underline if it is a thing. Okay, see, they have given one example here. They have kept box here because it is a place. And why they rounded here circle? Baby is a person, and bottle here they have underlined because it is a thing. Children, before getting to the next one, we should remember if it is a person or an animal, we should circle. We should box if it is a place, and we should underline whether it is a thing. Okay, now check the next one. Crow is a person or an animal? Yes, it is an animal. So we have to circle it. Okay. Let us check the next one. Hospital is a place. So we have to box it. Slow is not belongs to this person, an animal or place. So just leave it. What about walk? We should leave it. See, in the first example, they left bright no because this is not belongs to the naming word. Okay. Now, let us check the next one. Aunt is a person or a place or a thing? Tell me, children. Aunt is a person. So, we have to circle it. Let us check the next one. Church is the name of a place. So, we should box it. Peach, it's not belongs to any kind of naming word. And smile also, it's not belongs to a naming word. So, we should leave it. Check next one here, children. Bee is a creature. So, it is a person or an animal? Yes, of course, it is an animal. So, we have to circle it. Car is a thing. So, we have to underline it. And here, paintist means who can paint. It is a person. So, we have to circle it. Okay, heavy. It's not belongs to any naming word. So we should leave it. Let us check the next one. Doctor. Doctor is a person. So we have to circle it. Healthy. It's not any naming word. And butter. Butter is a thing. So we have to underline. And stadium. Stadium is a place. So we have to box it. Let us check the next one. Mother. Mother is a person. So we have to circle. Boat. Boat is a thing. So we have to underline. Water. Water also a thing. So we have to underline. Say. It's not belongs to any group of nouns. So we should leave it. Let us check the next one. Soap. Soap is a thing. So we have to underline. Optician. Optician is a person. So we have to circle. Okay. See, microscope. Microscope is a thing. So we have to underline. And it is examine. It's not any naming word. So we should leave it. Let us check the next one. Magician. Magician is a person. So we have to circle it. Wand. Wand is a thing. So we have to underline. Frightened. It's not belongs to any group of naming words. So we should leave it. And here it is theatre. Theatre is a place. So we have to box it. So finally completed this exercise successfully. Let us get into our next exercise. Okay children? In this exercise, see here, tick suitable nouns in the brackets. Let us see the first one. Wash your hands with cheese or soap before you eat your lunch. With which thing we will use to wash? Yes, of course, soap. So we have to tick. Now let us read full sentence. Wash your hands with soap before you eat your lunch. See how nicely we have choose the perfect noun to complete this sentence. Okay. See here the second one. The giraffe is the tallest land. Giraffe is an animal or it is a fish? Tell me children. Land fish or land animal? Which is the suitable word here? Yes, of course, animal. So we have to tick this. Okay, see, the giraffe is the tallest land animal. Okay, let us get into the next one. See here children, the dash is called the ship of desert. What is the ship of desert here? Yes, of course, camel. So we have to tick the camel. The camel is called the ship of the desert. Now, let us check the fourth one. Granny likes to drink hot tea or gloves. Tell me children. Gloves are to wear. Okay. So, hot tea is the perfect word here. So, we have to tick tea. Let us check the fifth one. Snow White ate a poisoned apple or lamp. Can you eat any lamp here? Never. So we have to choose apple. See here, Snow White ate a poisoned apple. Let us check the sixth one. A baby goat is called a cub or kid. Tell me children. Cub or kid? A baby goat is called always a kid. Always a kid. So we have to choose kid. Now let us check the seventh one. My mother always plants a dash on my birthday. What we can plant here? Always we can plant sapling only. So we have to choose here sapling. Now let us check the eighth one. We are going to the dash to watch dash. Can you guess children? We are going to the theatre. Yes. We are going to the theatre to watch a show. So finally we are completed this exercise too. Now let us get into our next exercise. Okay. In this exercise we should circle the noun in each set that do not belong to the group. See here, which group this is? This is fruit group. See, apple, guava, rice, grape. Which is not belongs to the fruit? Yes, of course, rice. So we have to circle this now. Now let us check the second one, stationery. Here the words have given board, eraser, pen, pencil. In this group, eraser, pen, pencil are belongs to this stationery group. This is not belongs to stationery. So we have to circle board. Now let us check the third one. This group is belongs to subjects. See here, science, park, maths, history. Here which are the subjects? Science, maths, history. This is a place. So we have to circle park. Now let us check the fourth one, festivals. See, in this group of words which is not belongs to this festival, we have to circle farm, Christmas, Onam, Eid. Christmas, Onam, Eid are festivals. Farm is a place. So we have to circle it. And the final one, vegetables. See here, brinjal, potato, onion, egg. In this group, brinjal, potato, onions are vegetables. And egg is not a vegetable. So we have to circle it. Okay children, we are completed this exercise too, and let us get into our next exercise. Children, in this exercise, they have given a word search. In this word search, we should find 10 names of people who help us. See, they have given word search here. We have to find out the persons also. After finding the persons, see here, now we should complete they given some sentences with the names you have found. Which names you will find here, we should fill the keywords in the sentences. For example, they have given farmer. Let us find out one more. Okay. I found here florist. Florist. So, after completing this total 10 people names here, we should complete these sentences which they have given below here. We should complete these sentences with the names you have found. Here I found florist. See, I sell flowers. I am a florist. Yes or no? I am a florist. After completing the sentence, we have to keep full stop. In the same way, remaining sentences you have to complete after completing this word search. Okay. Let us check the sentences here. See, I help children to learn. I am a dash. Here, I sell medicines in a shop. I am a dash. I serve people in a restaurant. I am a dash. I grow crops in the fields. I am a dash. I design machines, roads and bridges. I am an dash. I deliver letters. I am a dash. And I stitch clothes. I am a dash. I put out fires. I am a dash. I work in a hospital. I look after those who are sick. I am a dash. See, you can fill these blanks after searching the 10 names from the word search. Okay, it is very easy to find out. Okay, and to fill also. Okay children, now let us learn about common nouns and proper nouns. Okay, the names given in common to every person, place, animal or thing are called common nouns. For example, boy, girl, pencil, river. Okay, these all are examples of common nouns. What is proper noun? Proper nouns are the names given to particular people, places, animals or things. For example, Ravi, Priya, Bible, Yamuna. Okay, now easily you can find out what is common noun, what is proper noun. Based on these things, they have given one more exercise to find out. Okay, let us find out proper noun for each common noun. Okay, now let us get into the exercise. In this exercise, see mountain. Mountain is a common noun. They have named here Nanda Devi mountain. So, in the same manner, we have to complete remaining common nouns into the proper noun. See here, book is a common noun. You can write any proper noun to this common noun. Book. You can name any name of your book. Can you say, children? You can write any story name like storybook name or any reading book name or any pray book name also. I will write here pray. Okay, let us check the next one. City. City means it's a name of a place. So we can write here Delhi. Delhi is a city. Yes or no, children? Now let us check the next one. Author. Author name you can write here. I will write J.K. Rowling. He is a good author. So I am writing his name J.K. Rowling. Now let us check the fifth one. Actor. You can write your favorite actor name. I am writing here Amir Khan. Amir Khan. Amir Khan. Now let us check the sixth one here. Magazine. You can write any name of your magazine. I will write here Tinkle. Tinkle is a magazine. So I am writing here Tinkle. You can name here any country name. I am writing here India. You can write in your own, no problem, children. Now let us check the eighth one. Ocean. You can name any ocean. Okay. I will write here Pacific. It's a ocean. So I write here Pacific Ocean. And the ninth one, cartoon character. Which is your favorite cartoon character? You can write here. Okay. My favorite cartoon character is Krish. So I am writing here Krish. Now let us check the 10th one. Prime Minister. Who is our Prime Minister? Narendra Modi. So I am writing here Narendra Modi. Okay, children? In the same manner, you can write any other names also, no problem. Okay, I wrote here Narendra Modi. Okay, finally we have completed this exercise. Okay, let us get into our next exercise. Children, before getting into that exercise, please study the picture and give one word answers to me. Okay, what you can see in the picture? A boy, a girl, and we can name them. Yes or no? And we can give the name next to the person and which object is on the table, and you should observe all those things. Okay, and let me ask some questions. What is the boy pointing at? Yes, the boy is pointing at a globe. And I'll ask you one more question. Who is sitting next to the boy? Yes, a girl. Yes, of course, a girl. Let me ask one more question. Give a name to the boy in the picture. You can keep any name like Rahul or Ram or any name as you like. Okay. And give a name to the person next to him. Priya, Sneha or Neha or something else. I'll ask one more question, children. Which object on the table gives light? What it is? Tell me. It's a lamp. So you should answer a lamp. And which object on the table is used for drinking? What is this? Tell me, children. It's a cup. So we use this for drinking. We use this cup for drinking. Now let me ask one more question. Which object on the table is used for writing? What is here? See here, it's a pen. So you have to answer a pen. Now let me ask one more question. There are several objects of one kind on the table. What are they? Yes, those are books. Children, in this class, we learnt about noun. And also we learnt how to find the naming words from the groups. Let us meet in our next class with new topic. Okay children? Thank you.